Hey. So listen, I wanted to do my weekly update video. Yes, I know that I'm a day late, but listen, so much has been happening in my life. And I just want you to know that if you are somebody that is looking to, start a YouTube channel, start, a business, whatever it is that you are looking to do, right? You may not realize it, but there are going to be so many different obstacles that may get in your way. Now, of course, they may not get in your way, but then again, they may get in your way. I just want you to know that you got to push forward, right? You got to keep going, even when sometimes you feel like, maybe you just are overwhelmed and you want to quit, or, you don't know if you can keep going on. It's just a matter of you making the decision that you are going to do and complete whatever it is that you said that you were going to do, and you stick to it. So that's just like today is Thursday. I made a video, I think on Sunday, and I said that I would start updating weekly, and my days was going to be Wednesdays and Sundays. Well, yesterday I had my grandbaby. On Tuesday I had my grandbaby. Monday was a holiday for me and a holiday for everybody, but I planned to work, but you already know sometimes life happens, right? And what do I always say? When life happens, you happen with it. So with that being said, I did not properly plan to get these videos done. And what I'm realizing is that you have to do your content ahead of time. I've seen so many different influencers, so many YouTubers, so many different people say that you really have to pre-plan your content and bulk record. And I'm like, no, I can just do my videos, the day of or the day before. No, baby, that does not work. That will have you behind. That will have you figuring out, what to talk about, what to cover, what to say. Trying to plan the day before or the day of is not going to work. So I wanted to record this really quick to let you know that, sometimes you may not, be on track. But guess what? You only lose if you quit, right? The only way for you to lose at anything that you make up your mind to do is if you choose to quit. So even though I'm a day late, I said, let me get this video recorded. Let me give you guys an update, because guess what? You are going to witness my transformation on my channel. I'm going to be as transparent as I can. And I just want to show you that, although it isn't easy trying to reach a goal and working to reach a goal, you have to stay committed. You have to stay focused. You have to stay disciplined. Number one, really disciplined. And you have to believe that you can achieve it. Honestly, I feel like we can accomplish whatever that we want to accomplish. We just got to, have a few criteria that we meet. And like I said, discipline and faith and belief in yourself, those two things to me are the biggest, because discipline is when you are doing something even when you don't want to do it, or you don't feel like doing it, or you just don't have the energy to do it. You make yourself do it anyway. And then of course, believing in yourself. If you don't believe in you and you don't believe in the goal that you're trying to reach, then it's absolutely impossible for you to reach it, because why? You don't believe that you're going to reach it anyway. So with that being said, I wanted to keep this video under 5 minutes. I'm peacing out on this video. Catch the next video, and I look forward to giving you an update on how to better stay on task. It's your girl, Nikki PinkkGoddess, signing out of this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.